a egg beater, a buying a lottery ticket, and a bouncy castle.
Okay, so once again, it is?
Egg beater, buying a lottery ticket, bouncy castle.
So we're going to put 45 seconds on the magic clock. Here we go, actors. Come on in. Come on down, actors. Here we go. Please don't say what it is. Here we go. 3 and 4 are going to face the wall so they cannot watch. We got it, and go! $30. 20. 15. 10. 5. Here we go, go! 20. 15. 10. 5. Time! Here we go, get ready! 15 seconds left on the clock, and go! 10. 5. 20. They did very well. Tell everybody here what that object clearly was.
A hand mixer.
Oh no, I'm sorry. What is the object?
That was.
I'm sorry, not the object, the activity.
Taking dictation.
No! And what is the non-geographical place?
A night at Chippendale.
Chippendale. Thanks for playing. So, Jack, what was that object?
An egg beater?
Yeah.
And of course you know what the activity was.
Voting indecisively.
No! And what was the place?
The place was at a breakdancing competition.
You said breakdancing competition?
Breakdancing.
Breakdancing competition, no. So, here we go, Paul. Tell everybody what the activity had to be.
It had to be playing scratch-off lottery
Yes.
tickets.
Yes. Absolutely.
Okay.
And let me have the place.
Puppet show?
You were so close. Tell me what the place was.
A bouncy castle.
Castle